Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Garden has been framed by our teacher at London to help kids with their essay in my garden. Easy in my garden. And these are prepared in a very easy and simple language for you to understand and remember it for a longer time. In the other way, according to me, a garden is designed area of a land adjacent of a house where fresh plant, flowers and fruits in trees and other elements of nature are cultivated. Natural and man-made materials are used in the garden. Many individuals take up gardening as a pastime because it allows them to clear their minds while being surrounded by nature beauty such as trees and birds. And the garden is one of the best places in the house according to me, as it is the only place where we all get some relief from a busy schedule. Moreover, having a garden in the house provide many more and healthy benefits. Example, a garden has many plants which produce oxygen. My house has a small garden. It contains different types of plants, like it consists of various flowers such as roses, lilies, sunflowers, and many more. All flowers have different colors, but I like roses. My mother also grow vegetable in the garden. We grow vegetable like tomatoes, sweets, potato, carrot, cauliflowers, and coriander. My garden is very beautiful, and daily birds come to drink. And drink what? Sorry, my mommy and I take care of them. Sorry, my mummy and I take care of the garden daily by giving water to all plants in the morning and evening. In my garden, I have swings like a seesaw slide. My friends come to my garden every day and enjoy playing with them. Thanks for watching.